Okay, we've just applied the final sealer coat over this 93 Ford truck for Mike Burke, tire captain Mike Burke. This was the one that had the initial issues of the 8441 tracking, as Robin Sheffield seen. We're ready to base coat it now. This is a two-stage epoxy sealer. We darkened it from light silver to medium using two components, the black and the gray, to get this neutral color so that we can get a nice even paint with the base coat. And it's looking beautiful. I see no issues. Thank Jesus. Okay, next time you'll see this will be base coated, and then we'll probably come in Saturday and clear coat it, or Sunday. Okay, it's Sunday morning, the 31st, the last day of January, and we are getting ready to put the clear coat on this beautiful base coat and make this baby shine like never before. 1973 Ford truck for Mr. Mike Burke, retired captain, loyal customer of over a decade. Done a lot of vehicles for him, his wife, and several friends. Okay, it's Sunday, the last day of January. We finally have our first O'Reilly's ProMaster Disaster painted with the 2021 concept clear coat, and tomorrow morning Mike will wet sand this down with 2000 grit till there's no orange peel in it, make it nice and flat, and polish this out to the original high-end shine that we put on this first time. Only this time will be the last time. Okay, this is Monday the 1st of February. The truck we painted yesterday, Mike is cutting and buffing it using our wet sand solution. Has a pump and shoots water, makes them cut faster.